Programming doesn't always require advanced mathematical skills, but elementary knowledge of basics such as addition, subtraction, etc. is an absolute must. Among mathematical operators we distinguish addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo, which gives us the remainder after division. You probably know the first four very well. It's very simple to apply them, as we'll see in the next example. We have the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, division and the modulo operator. Let's see if this program compiles. We can put comments in the code, which are used to annotate the purpose of a given fragment of the code. If we are dealing with a complex application with thousands of lines, they prove to be very useful. If you want to comment a single line of code, then use the sign /, like here. No matter the length of the comment, it will still be assigned to one line of code. If, on the other hand, you would like to comment multiple lines of code, you will use /* and then * and /. In this case, the sign / sets the beginning of the comment, and this one its end. If we run the program now, we will see only the output from this println method. Back to displaying all the results. We can see the numbers for the addition, yeah, it's correct, subtraction, multiplication, division. Yeah, but what about division? The value assigned to the variable div is 50, when we should have expected 50.5. This is because mathematical operators called out with whole number type arguments also return the whole number type in the solution, even though we declare the variable type div as a double, meaning a floating point type. This doesn't suffice to acquire the expected result. In order to acquire the result 50.5, at least one of the operands, in this case x or y, must be floating point type, and that way a promotion of type occurs, which is an extension of the int type to the double type. Here I prepared the same case, but with the letters A and B, where B has the double type, so a floating point type. And now, if we divide A and B, we've got 50.5 as a result. In reality, what is being calculated is the operation 101.0 divided by 2.0, a floating point division and not a whole number like the integer one. The operator modulo signifies the remainder after division and functions just as well for integer numbers as for floating point ones. For example, if we divide 101 by 2, we get a quotient of 50 and we get a remainder of 1, which is our result after a modulo operation. All mathematical operators, besides their basic forms, also have an abbreviated version. For example, if instead of writing like this, we can write this form. This form is the equivalent expression of this one, but shorter.